Hey guys, welcome back to Matters. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the convert entity command in SolidWorks. Let's start by creating a few reference plane. I'll select the top plane as a reference and create three planes, each space 40 millimeter apart. Now I'll select one of these planes and create a simple sketch. Let's draw a rectangle. Now suppose I want the same sketch on another reference plane. Instead of redrawing it, I'll create a sketch on the target plane, open the convert entities command, select the original sketch and enable select chain and click OK. As you can see, the entire sketch is projected onto the new plane in just one click. Now let's look at another example. I want to project the edges of this model onto the top surface. I'll select the top face, create a new sketch, open convert entities, click on the face and press OK. You can see all the edges of that face has been converted into sketch entities, making them ready for further modeling or editing. Now let me just extrude a bit to show you how it will look. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Magdas. Thank you.